All right, so I'm going through all the questions, and here's another question that someone wanted to know about. Is it okay to consume celery and nut butter on keto? Well, absolutely yes, because it's a good alternative to salad for some people. It's really hard to get people to consume the amount of salad that they need, but it's very easy to consume celery if you're going to add peanut butter to it. And also, when I say peanut butter, make sure it's organic, make sure it doesn't have any added sugar, make sure there's no extra oils in there other than just peanut oil. You don't want soy oil or cottonseed oil or any of that stuff. So for some people, it's just an easy way to get your vegetable, and it's something that tastes good as well. So I do recommend it. And if you're using it for a salad substitute, I would highly recommend consuming a good amount of it, not just like a tiny little bit. But celery itself is extremely low carb, but high fiber. And yes, it is true that fiber is a carb, but fiber does not affect your blood sugars, other than help improve it because your microbes eat the fiber and they give you certain chemicals to help regulate blood sugars. It has zero starch, and per cup, it has 262 milligrams of potassium, and it has 80 milligrams of sodium. You may have heard that celery is very high in sodium and you have to avoid it for high blood pressure. That is absolutely not true. And by the way, low sodium in your diet can increase the risk of insulin resistance. In fact, we need a good amount of salt, especially if you're on keto. And for certain people that have migraine headaches, they need to have a lot more sodium. So I will do a separate video on sodium, but celery probably has the highest amount of sodium of all the different vegetables. So it's actually not bad at all. It's actually really good. When you do keto, the insulin in your body is going down, and insulin increases the retention of sodium. So you're going to be losing more sodium. So just consume more sea salt to offset that, as well as other electrolytes as well, like potassium, because if you're not consuming enough potassium, it will also increase insulin and affect your blood sugars. So there's a huge connection between potassium and helping normalize your blood sugars. You need potassium and sodium in the correct ratios. A lot of times I'll do a video just on sodium or potassium. I should probably do a video just on all the electrolytes together because they all work together. So adding a nut butter to your celery, whether it's almond butter or peanut butter or other nut butters, is a really good thing. It can be an alternative to your salad. It can help your pH. It can reduce your risk for getting gout. It will also decrease hunger because of the fat in the nut butters. Also, celery is great for lowering stress, helping you sleep, and it can help support healthy blood pressure levels as well. All right, thanks for watching.
Before you go, if you have a question about a product, or you're new to keto and you want to know how to begin keto, or you're on keto and you need a debug because it's not going as smooth, I have a keto consultant standing by to help you. This is just for the people in the US. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to answer everyone's call, but I put the number down below so you can call and get some help.